Pretty much everybody has a jack-o'-lantern pumpkin on their porch this season. They're super fun to carve, and you can scoop out the seeds and roast them with a little bit of sea salt and spice for a nice snack. But there's so many other amazing pumpkins that are so delicious to eat, the most popular being the sugar pumpkin. Sugar pumpkins are one of the easiest pumpkins to cook with because of their small size, and it's actually believed that the original pumpkin pie was more of a custard made by cutting off the top of the pumpkin, scooping out the seeds, stirring up the insides with a little bit of milk, sugar, or honey and spices, and then baking it in the coals of a fire. It sounds delicious, but I definitely prefer a little bit of crust on mine. Sugar pumpkins aren't the only delicious variety we carry. In fact, a lot of other decorative pumpkins are also fully edible. Take the white pumpkin, for example. It's another really popular one for the front porch, but it also works great on the dinner table. You can chop it up, roast it, and use it with pastas, risottos, or other soups and stews. It has a really nice mild flavor, similar to the sugar pumpkin, but with a little bit more of a nuttiness to it. One of our most prized edible varieties here at Bountiful Gardens is going to be the blue Hubbard squash, and they're pretty hard to find too. Their flavor profile is similar to a sweet potato with a little bit of hazelnut to it, and they're really creamy too, which makes them so great for soups and stews. Its close cousin, the red Hubbard, is actually my personal favorite because it has the same flavor profile, but it's a little tougher, so it works really well mashed up like you would mashed potatoes and served with some roast chicken and fall vegetables. Cheese pumpkins, or pumpkins that are round like a wheel of cheese, are also great for cooking, the most popular of which being the Long Island cheese, the fairy tale, or the Cinderella pumpkin, also known as rouge de tempe or red stamp in French. French chefs particularly like using this one to cook really rich stocks, but all of these are fully edible and they work best when cut into wedges, like a wheel of cheese, and roasted and used in all your favorite recipes. Their flavor is really savory and pairs really well with apples and sage, thyme, rosemary, all sorts of good roast dishes that you would make in fall. Turban squash, named for their unique shape, are also delicious and make a really nice show-stopping centerpiece entree. What you would want to do is take a sharp knife, cut along the outside edge here and take off the top, scoop out the seeds, maybe stir up the insides with some sausage, some peppers, spinach, fall spices, and then seal it all off with cheese and roast it until it's golden brown. Then you just put that in the center of the table and serve with a scoop. The blue doll pumpkin is a giant variety, and like the eucalyptus around me, it originates in Australia. The flavor borders sweet and savory, and it's really popular cubed up and roasted. Now that you know more about all the incredible and tasty varieties that we have, you're bound to pick the perfect pumpkin for your fall display. And if you need help with the fall display of your dreams, book one of our fall packages online at bountifulgardens.com. As always, thank you for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have suggestions for future videos, or if you had thoughts about this one today. Thanks! Oh, here I am, in the mirror. Who's that man in the mirror?